Yuli and Lugi find ancient symbols on a stone atop Windy Hill. Yuli reads a short poem engraved in the markings. The rock resonates, producing musical tones with a unique sound. As Yuli sings, a hidden crack opens in the rock, revealing a dark passageway. Yuli and Lugi step carefully into the secret passage. They arrive at a lake and notice a single leaf floating on the surface. Yuli looks closely at the leaf and reads the symbol. Yuli interprets the symbol's hidden message. Yuli and Lugi set off deeper into the forest toward their next destination. They find the entrance to the river. Its water flows in reverse. The tree spirit stands tall, vines curling like robes. A riddle on the wind, the spirit speaks.
A hidden star within the blue shadow shall guide you